Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. Hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give this video a like, and to leave me a comment down below. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Your continuous support is always appreciated. Guys, happy new year, happy 2026. Gonna take some time getting used to like any other year, but happy new year, guys. I hope you had a wonderful festive season. If you're in South Africa, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. What else do we have? Thanksgiving, 16th of December. What's happening on the 16th? I just know Horkiri 16, but I think it's Day of Reconciliation. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. In South Africa, we celebrate Christmas Eve, the Christmas Day, and the day after Christmas. Day after Christmas, gonna king, Day of Goodwill or king. But I know how to keep Boxing Day. Like I grew up Ribija Boxing Day, so I don't know if Boxing Day is the official name and why it's called Boxing Day, but yeah, Boxing Day. And then we also celebrate New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So I hope you were safe, you had fun, you spent time with family, you were with friends or whomever, like your loved ones. I hope you had a wonderful time, guys. Mine was absolutely great. I was with family, with my husband, with my in-laws at some point, my family. So yeah, it was great. I spent a lot of time with family, and now it's a new year, new goals. Well, not new goals per se. And we're basically picking up where we left off, or I am picking up where I left off. The goals haven't changed. Might have taken a detour here and there, but yeah, the goal and the vision is still the same. Another year of greatness, another year to make things happen, still believing in God, still trusting in God, even though it did not happen last year or the year previous to that. He's still the same God. Situations may change, but he doesn't change. So I believe this year is going to be great. And if it's not, listen, there's lots to be learned along the way until it finally happens. Anyway, let me stop preaching. I want to clean the house. I want to kind of deep clean the house. I want to wash the curtains, scrub the floors, change bedding. That's if I'm not too tired, because to be quite honest, not change the bedding, actually, just wash it and put it back on. Honestly, I am bored with the bedding that I currently have. I wish I had some coins to buy new bedding, but I don't, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, I'm gonna wash the bedding, and then yeah, I'm gonna start with the main bedroom, and then I'll move on to the other bedrooms, because I don't wanna like overwhelm myself. I still have like 2 weeks until we open again in school. So yeah, during these 2 weeks, I just want to get my house in order, because once I'm back in school, there's just no time to clean. Like, get home, I am tired. I just want to eat. I just want to shower, eat, go to bed, or watch something in between, and then that's it. So I want to get the house in order so that when I'm back in school, I can just do, you know, the minimum stuff like dusting, sweeping, and mopping. So yeah, today I'm gonna be focusing on the main bedroom. I want to move my bed, vacuum underneath. The curtains are already in the washing machine, and then wipe down the wardrobes. Yeah, so I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are cleaning your space as well, I hope this gives you the motivation to clean. And yeah, let's get started. It's still early in the morning. I woke up very early. I felt like having my punya, so I woke up really early so that we can have them by around 8 o'clock. So yeah, anyway, get started, guys. Welcome to a new video. I really do hope that you enjoy it. I decided to move the bed so that I can vacuum underneath it, it kind of like reminded me of when I was young and my mom began to kusithethisa and say, "Nihlale ngaphansi kombhede, nishiftane nombhede nikline. Noma sekubhaqa inyoka ngaphansi kombhede ngeke nize nibone." And I remembered ukuthi, yo, it's been a while since I vacuumed under this bed. And so I was like, you know what? Let me just move the bed, vacuum underneath, and maybe just change and put it on the other side, which I thought was going to be a little tricky, but because the door would be a little close to the bed, but it turned out fine. However, well, it turned out fine because right now we don't have any side tables or bedside tables. But as soon as we have them, I'm not sure if the furniture is gonna sit, how I want it to sit and still be able to open the door without scratching it. But we'll just have to see. Right now, it is working. Also, I could have the bed facing the window, but I don't really like it. I don't feel comfortable when my bed is facing the window, so it's either one of the solid walls. So yeah, but I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I use this fabric freshener to make my house smell good. I use it on the couch, on the bed, on the curtains. It really has a beautiful scent. I'm not quite sure what the exact scents are, but it's got grapefruit. Like the grapefruit is really I don't know how to say it, but it really stands out. That's the note that I can pick up. Not really good with perfume, but that's the note that I can really pick up. I think it's also got like hibiscus flower. It's a really nice combo, and unfortunately they don't stock it anymore where I bought it. I was really sad because it really smelled good. It was like a limited edition. They also had a kitchen cleaner in the same scent. I wish they really did. If I really wish they could restock it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.